In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Battle Pass tokens is not working. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So how do we fix this Battle Pass tokens problem on Modern Warfare 3? So the few things you can do to fix this not working issues is to simply sign out and back into Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Signing out and back in can swiftly resolve token related issues. The next is to earn one BP token. Sometimes triggering the system is all it takes. Just play additional matches to earn at least one Battle Pass token. So this token may trigger a resolution and you should start receiving tokens as usual. And the third step we can do is to simply uninstall and reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So reinstalling the game can resolve underlying issues causing token problems. And the next is to simply update our Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 to the latest version. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.